YouTube. It's your boy Keen's Dreams, and I'm back with another banger for y'all boys, man. Told y'all I was gonna stay consistent, and since I'm staying consistent, could y'all please leave a like, comment, and subscribe? It helps the YouTube algorithm, and it helps these type of videos, get across to beginner traders. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna jump straight into the video. As you guys can tell by the title, I made $1,900 today day trading the futures market, Nasdaq instrument to be exact. So, we just gonna cut straight into it. As you guys can tell, we've been in this kind of I wouldn't say range, but this slow, steady grind, as you guys can kind of see on the 5 minute. But overall, the market is still remaining bullish as we are entertaining all-time highs, which we did end up, cracking today because I'm making this video at 8:15. But you guys aren't here for that. You guys want to know how I got into the trade. So essentially, I had a supply zone marked up a while back, and that was around the time we were at previous all-time highs on May 23rd. So all that I did there was I left the zone there because I knew that eventually we have to get there, right? The market has a tendency to go up anyways. So essentially, what I did, I essentially had a break and retest strategy, right? That's kind of how I went about it. And actually, let me regurgitate back on all I said because I didn't enter up here. I essentially, what I did, man, because I took this trade so early in the morning. I essentially was retesting this supply zone, this 4-hour supply that we had here on the market. So I essentially saw this, previous zone, which we rejected off of, I believe Monday, we rejected off that zone. And then we came back to entertain this area. Now, people are going to say, Hakeem, this is such a big supply zone. How would you know when to trade? How would you know when to get in? How would you da-da-da-da-da? Listen, I'm not here to sell a course, nor will I ever sell a course. I'll probably just give one for free. But the way that I trade supply and demand, I wouldn't say it's different because I'm pretty sure out of the billions of people on this earth, someone may see the supply and demand zone strategy the same way as I, which is why I would not charge. I think that's like ridiculous. You're getting finessed. But essentially, I like to trade break and retest out of zones. I like to play reversals and rejections out of zones. I like to play bounces. So in this instance, I noticed that we are at a 4-hour zone, right? So you go to the 1 hour, right? And I just wanted to see how price will react, right? Just because we're in a supply zone doesn't mean you go for sales, and just because we're in a demand zone don't mean you go for buys. You have to watch how price interacts in those zones. Sometimes in the supply zone, instead of a quick sell-off, we can just blast right through. And as you can see on the 30-minute, we were, just gradually going through. So my initial thought process, I'm not going to lie, when I woke up this morning, my initial thought process, I went on a 5-minute. I thought we were, so when I was looking at it, and let me delete this because it's pointless. I thought we were going to come back into an area at which I could get buys. So, I saw a little zone here. I thought we were just going to get there, but we never did. And you remember that I was telling you guys in the previous videos, don't predict, just adjust and react. And that's all that I did. You know what I mean? I didn't really have a bias. I would have played it either way, right? But I was patient and I waited for what the gurus call it, the actionable signal. I just waited for a candlestick that I liked in an area in which I saw interest, and I acted accordingly, right? So I knew we had some 8:30 news. I believe today we had 8:30 news. So I saw price react, and I thought we were just gonna get here in this zone, and I thought it was gonna match up with my VWAP, and then we are just gonna bounce there, but it never happened. So I saw that we blasted out of the 4-hour zone, but then the news hit, and we retested that zone at this 8:30 candle. Now this 8:30 candle is crucial because if you read the candlestick Bibles and you understand candlesticks, you know that typically this will be a reversal candle, but this will be a reversal candle if price was already selling off, and then you would see this and you go for a rise. Now, since I've been trading and I'm, getting used to my strategy and I'm becoming more confident in my strategy and the confluences that I see, I knew that if we're gonna bounce, if we're gonna break out of this supply and start to use this place as a retest, this was a perfect retest candle. We came in, buyers absorbed this area, and essentially what I did is I wanted to get my entry placed literally at the break of the candle, right? So I got my entries around 94, and y'all know me, I'm looking for about 10 to 15, 20 points if I get it. Now, I would definitely close all out at 10 points if I'm at full contract size. If I'm at my full risk, I'll close out everything at 10. If if I wasn't allowed to scale into my full position, then maybe 15 to 20 points will seem attractive, right? So this was a quick and easy trade. I got in at 94. I sized in another few contracts at 95, and then I let the rest ride to about I got all out at 804.75. And so that's essentially what happened on this trade. And for proof, on my Apex account, I'll go here to today because I did take this trade at June 5th. I had a total of 10 contracts in this trade. And I was in this trade pretty quick. I wasn't in this trade for long. Bought one contract, 94, and put my rest in at 95. Bought another five at 95 because I just really liked the price, man. I really liked it. I was really in drawdown, and I got out at 804.75. I was in this trade for about 2 minutes, a little bit under 2 minutes, and yeah, man, I was able to secure 1884, round a rousey $1,900. And it was a quick, easy trade. I made that money in about 8:35, really early in the morning, and I was pretty much done for the day. I don't know why 27 is here. That's crazy. But shit, I don't even know why 10 is there right now. That's crazy. But yeah. So man, if you guys like more of these videos, once again, like, comment, and subscribe. It really, really, really helps, man. Really helps push the YouTube algorithm for your boy. Subscribing is free, liking is free, commenting is free. If y'all want me to make a video explaining my strategy and the different tactics that I use to attack the market, I will do that 100%. I am not in the business of selling courses. That doesn't make any sense to me. Hell, YouTube is free, and there's a shit ton of gurus with their own strategies. So there's no reason to buy a course. All the courses are on YouTube. Stop buying courses in 2024. Stop buying courses. Once again, it's a pleasure, man. It's your boy King's Dreams, and I out of there, bitch.